cats under our house, but I don't know why. I don't know why there's cats under our house. I don't know if I should put it on YouTube or not. Maybe it is already on YouTube. I don't know, but look. There's cats everywhere. Look at that. There's cats. Cats. Cats under our house. That just freaking me out. I can see the cats moving. Look at that one. Look at all the cats. I don't know why. We just feed the cats even though not our cats. But there should be fishies somewhere else. These cats are lonely. I want to call Animal Patrol. You guys come to this house and call Animal Patrol. I don't know what. I don't know what to do, really. Not to mention it. Go Animal Patrol! Oh.